Okay, these are the Fisher-Price music box record players. The old one in the 70s, and the new one they came out with, I think 2013. The new one is smaller, requires batteries, and is not a music box. The sound is also much different. One positive thing about the new one is the storage of the discs. Where's the old one? Okay, here's your sound comparison. Okay, versus the older one, which eventually slows down. In the new one, this is just a timer. The tempo stays the same throughout the entire song. And requires no batteries.